Okay, in this video we're going to get into the nuts and bolts of the Enagic compensation plan. Now, as I said in the previous video, if that's all that you actually earned was $365 per sale, then you would be still in a fairly reasonable sort of a plan. But this compensation plan is designed at generating exponential wealth within the business, and so that people have the incentive to sell more machines. And the benefits that the machines present to people is well and truly worth the effort that it takes to actually sell the machines, in my opinion. So the Enagic compensation plan that I'm going to take you through today is through the ranks. So the way this basically works is very similar in the previous video, is that you need to meet the requirements in order to move on to the next rank. And as you can see, in lane 2, you need to make 10 indirect or direct sales, combined sales, and then your next sale you will be going on to 3A. And this works all the way down the line. So we have 20 indirect or direct, combined sales, and then your next sale you will be in lane 4A. And then the same thing, 50 indirect or direct sales to put you into lane 5A, and then from 5A to 6A is 100 indirect or direct sales, and then your next sale you will be in lane 1A. So as you can see, the commissions go up in accordance to whatever lane you're actually in. So 365 for the first lane, and then 730 for the second lane, and then 1095 for the third lane, and 1460 for the fourth lane, and then 1,825 for the fifth lane, and then 6A you'll be receiving $2,190 per sale. So as you can see, it's not overly complicated as long as you can get your head around the idea that there's requirements to move on to the next lane, and the benefits of this is that you are compensated financially for moving on to the next rank. And you can also move up in the rank in a faster fashion if you have somebody that's a go-getter that's under you that sells a lot of machines. We'll say you had a go-getter here in lane 2 and they sold enough machines to reach you all the way up to 6A, which is a lot of machines. Say they were working in the fitness industry or something like that and they had a lot of reach, they'd be able to sell a lot of machines. Or possibly somebody that owns apartment blocks and they want to put a heap of machines in each apartment block. So you may have a situation like that come up, and in that situation then you would be able to make the direct sales that require you to get into them lanes, and you would be at 6A a lot faster. So that's pretty much it for this video, so you have a bit of an understanding. It may be worthwhile playing the video over a few times so that you get a bit of an understanding. It's just basically there's requirements for you to reach into the next rank, and that's pretty much how the in-depth side of this compensation plan works. So I will be making a future video on how to move up in the ranks a little bit faster, and a little bit more details what happens once you pass 6A, and some of the compensation and the bonuses and things that are involved in moving past 6A. So I appreciate you watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.